Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Have you ever heard of pineapple vinegar? Did you know that it helps with digestion and weight loss? We'll talk about that in this video, and you'll also learn how to make your own pineapple vinegar at home. This recipe is rich in probiotics, antioxidants, and has anti-inflammatory properties. Plus, it's free of preservatives and chemical additives. More and more people use the vinegar from fruits to take care of their health because it has many benefits. Pineapple contains not only many vitamins and minerals, but also bromelain, an enzyme with digestive properties, which helps digestion, fluid retention, and promotes the elimination of toxins from the body, which contributes to weight loss and pancreatic insufficiency. Want to know how to make pineapple vinegar at home? Write down the ingredients. 1 pineapple, preferably organic. 1/4 cup sugar, brown or demerara if possible. 3 cups filtered or mineral water. 1 glass jar. 1 piece of light and thin fabric, muslin. 1 rubber band. The pineapple is used with the peel, so we recommend buying organic. It must also be very well sanitized. Therefore, dilute 2 tablespoons of baking soda or white vinegar in a liter of water. Then soak the fruit and leave it for 20 minutes. After this time, brush it well with a brush. Rinse it and cut it into small pieces. Now let's get started with the recipe. Put the water in the glass jar. Add the sugar and stir well to dissolve it. Add the pineapple pieces with the peel. Cover the jar with the muslin or other thin fabric and the rubber band. Keep the jar in a dark, dry place so that the fermentation process can begin. After 1 or 2 days, the mixture will begin to foam, but this is normal because it indicates that the alcoholic fermentation process has begun. During this time, you should open the jar daily and stir it, preferably with a wooden spoon. Then cover it again with a clean cloth. After a week, depending on the temperature in your region, it may take more or less. These bubbles will disappear. If the vinegar looks cloudy, it means that the first fermentation has already taken place. After the first stage, strain it through a sieve and then through a clean, odorless cloth. Transfer the liquid to a clean, sterilized glass jar. It can be the same one you used for fermentation. Cover it again with the cloth. If possible, use another clean piece and store it in a clean, dry, ventilated, and dark place. At this stage, watch it daily, and if it has a very sour smell, it's ready. Pour the contents into a clean and sterilized bottle, preferably a glass bottle. Close it tightly and store it in the refrigerator. Now you can use it as a substitute for regular vinegar for salad dressings and other recipes. To strengthen the digestive system, dilute a teaspoon of vinegar in a glass of water and drink it 30 minutes before meals. Did you like the recipe? If you already know it, tell me in the comments. If you got this far, write in the comments, pineapple. I wish you good health.